Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Diwata, Filipina, at ang aking asawang si Pedro, Puerto Rican American. We've been living here in Vegas for 4 years now and we've been in relationship for 7 years. Samahan niyo kami as we share our daily life, our vlogs, food trip, shopping, and kung ano-ano pa mang nagaganap sa buhay namin every day.
Stretch my arms, greet the brand new day. Gonna make it mine in every way. Every moment's a little spark. Finding joy in the smallest parts. From the sunrise to the starry night, I'm living life with a heart so bright.
Punta kami ng Olive Garden. So, nagpapagasolina na lang kami dito sa Shell yata to. Is this Shell, asawa?
Shell, yeah.
Yeah, Shell. So, guys, yun yung yun yung price ngayon. Regular gasoline is $5.29. While yung diesel, $6.19. Love, how much is regular? What are you using? Diesel?
Premium.
Premium?
Gas, yeah. That one, nitro.
Ayan. So, before that, love, how much is, like, it doubled the price?
Almost, yeah. Yeah. It's
Almost.
quite expensive, yeah. It was like 3 something,
Oh,
and a 4, now 5, almost 6. Yeah.
Oh,
double.
yeah, nagdoble daw yung presyo ng gas ngayon according to the driver. So, punta kami ng Olive Garden ngayon, guys. Nagpagusinala lang kami muna bago kami kumain. Friday ngayon, guys. So, happy Saturday sa lahat ng mga nasa Pilipinas.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
Saturday,
Yep,
asawa.
Yep, you're right.
So, as usual, guys, nag-pick up muna kami ng aming grocery bago kami kumain. Gasolina, grocery. This is usually Saturday namin ginagawa, pero early namin ginagawa na ng Friday. Late Friday na para yung Saturday, Sunday namin okay na. Yes, paborito kasi namin to. Actually,
So bright.
kaya kami nandito, guys, gawa ng merong why are we here, asawa? Because meron siyang credit dun sa
Oh yeah, we have
Yeah.
free meal.
free
We
meal.
have free meal. This is the $50 gift card for my job, and the barcode for Olive Garden.
So, ang gagawin lang niya, papakita niya lang yung code na yon. Tapos, magiging parang free or credit yon. Free or credit dun sa kakainin namin. So, ang kagandahan nun, guys, malit lang yung babayaran namin. Yeah, please.
Let me go get your meatballs are ready. I'll get the breadsticks, okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Just do like the sambucha. Just wait.
Sambucha.
Stare at it. Here, take
More,
it.
more, more. Thankfully, she didn't
I give you.
serve me. You give me. Thank you.
You like
So, salad muna
tomatoes,
tayo,
right? For you,
guys.
you like tomato?
I don't like tomato.
You don't like?
I'm acidic. You eat your my tomato. I don't like too much of dressing. Sabihin sa akin ni Pedro na napaka-arte ko. So, yeah. Salad muna tayo. Sarap salad nila dito, guys. Di tulad dun sa Samurai. Love. Unlike Samurai, if there's a lot of people in Samurai, where's that Samurai steak?
Yeah,
Their
samurai
salad,
sushi steakhouse.
yeah, their salad is really pangit na.
Yeah, the salad is only one I like.
And you don't like the salad there. But salad here, you like it, di ba?
Yeah.
Ayoko lang talaga ng too much dressing sa salad nila.
Mm-hmm.
This dressing is too much, yeah. Wow, it's not too much.
No?
It's just the
Yeah. Thank you.
vinegar.
Okay.
Thank you, Melina.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, ito yung meatballs for appetizer. Meatballs, parmesan. Tikman natin, guys. Favorite din namin ang breadsticks nila dito, guys.
Oh, try.
Breadsticks nila dito is so good, guys.
Never had this before. Let's see.
See? Wanna try it too? But half only.
Wow. I like it. I like
Like it?
It's good.
Tikman natin.
Definitely.
Tikman natin yung ano nila. Meatballs parmesan for appetizer.
In your bread?
Okay lang. Siyempre hindi to homemade. This is not homemade lang.
Huh?
This is commissary made.
Not homemade.
No.
It's not.
Of
That's what they
course.
said. All of this is pre-cooked.
Talaga?
Mhm.
Na. Bread nila, guys. Oh, salty. A little bit salty now. Yung bread nila, little bit salty. Appetizer pa lang. Salad pa lang.
20 minutos,
Busog
mano.
na agad ako.
Okay? It is filling.
Yeah. This is meat. It's supposed not to be... No, guys, hindi to dapat appetizer. This meatball should not be appetizer. It's
It's
filling. Nasa siyang sausage. Tastes like sausage lang. Ang parang imbutido natin, guys. Parang kang kumakain ng imbutido, guys. Yung parmesan. It's like you're eating imbutido.
I love it. Mm-hmm. Thank you. That will be here.
It's really hot. Be careful.
Yeah, thank you.
Bakit ano?
Thank you, dear.
Welcome. You need cheese
You need cheese? She needs.
here and some
I'm fine.
stuff.
Meron.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
And this one too? Do you need cheese?
No, good to go. Thank you, dear.
Breadsticks okay?
Yeah.
Salad's okay? Did you want some more salad?
No, no.
No,
I'm
dear.
done with this one.
I know for a fact we're not gonna be able to finish it, so two to-go boxes whenever possible. Whenever. That's it.
Chicken parmesan. Actually, spaghetti siya. Tapos chicken breast siya.
Yeah.
Na parang patty. Tapos chicken...
Breaded chicken.
Spaghetti.
Right.
Breaded chicken. Tapos, eto yung sa akin. Dalawa. Pinagdalawa namin kasi to go namin kay mama yung isa. Ayan. Chicken Alfredo. Tapos, pinalagay ko lang sa side yung broccoli. Kasi ayaw ni mama. Ha?
I have some chocolates in here just for you.
No, thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Melina. So, dito pati guys, pag tutugo ka, kunwari tapos na kayo, magtutugo ka, hindi sila yung nagbabalot. Tanda ko sa Pilipinas, sila yung nagbabalot para sa atin. Pero sila dito, bibigyan ka ng to-go box. Ayan. Tsaka plastic. Then dito, pag tapos na kayong kumain, nagbibigay sila na chocolate, mento yata tawag dito. Chocolate mint. Ayan. For free. Ayan guys.
A little bit salty, yeah.
Yeah.
The bread, yeah.
Akala ko guys yung maalat ang panlasa.
Yeah.
Pag nagkakaedad na kasi, di ba? Naiba na yung panlasa.
Yeah, the bread tastes funny. The bread? I don't know. I don't know if the oil is old,
Too salty.
or the oil that was fried is old, but it's
For me, it's
That's
too
funny.
salty. Love na love ko kasi itong broccoli nila, guys. Pero ayaw nito ni Mama. Broccoli. Lumit na rin ang serving nila dito, guys. Their serving is shrimp.
It's smaller. The spaghetti portion is way smaller than normal. It's okay.
I don't think you're gonna bring
No.
it home.
And it's not the same portion. Smaller.
Inaliit nila yung portion nila, guys. Napansin ko lang.
And then, when you guys are still working on it, whenever you guys are, I'll come back and see. For the
Thank you.
gift certificate.
Oh yeah.
Thank you,
yeah.
Melina.
Sorry.
That's okay, dear.
And that should be
I
on
think we
there.
got it. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you don't have to do this here. You can do it later if you want.
Okay.
Or you can do it now. It's up to you.
Okay, okay.
And then that should let you know what the remainder of that balance should be, okay?
Alrighty.
Thank you, Melinda.
Sunshine in my day, chasing clouds on